Today we're doing coil packs on my gorgeous red 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing you the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, I bought this vehicle exactly 1 week ago, and before that, when I went for the test drive, the owner, when we met up, said the check engine light came on. I was like, all right, well, this gorgeous red Mercedes with the sport package, I was like, I like this car. So we tried to make an agreement on the price. But with the check engine light, I didn't know what it was. So he had a mechanic check it out. And also, because he moved from California, this is a California car, and I live in New England, that was another plus for me wanting to buy this vehicle. So I had to wait for the title to come in anyways. And when he went to his repair shop, he said that he had a Misfire on number 6 or number 5, something like that. So he ended up putting brand new spark plugs, 1 coil pack, and we made a deal over the weekend. And then last Monday, when I went to pick it up at the bank, the check engine light came back on. He brought it back to that same shop. Another Misfire. These coil packs, these are all original. Once one goes, they all go. It's just the age of these coil packs. So we made a deal that, you know, I'm going to buy the car the way it is. I don't know what it is. And this weekend that just passed, I ended up putting all new coil packs. I had my friend Sean come over, help me out. We did not replace number 6 since it was brand new. I'm going to say, when you watch this video, the left side of the engine, very easy to do. The right side of the engine, where number 4, 5, and 6 is, that's a bitch. I was going to replace all of them just for shits and giggles, just do them all. And number 6 is very hard to get to. So we just left that in there since it's brand new. And yeah, so that's what you're going to watch today. So you're going to see my friend Sean doing the coil packs and upcoming videos, guys. I buy and sell cars, as you guys know. So I am looking for new vehicles all the time. I do travel videos throughout New England, local destinations, hiking trails, stuff like that. So, also with this vehicle, I still need to put a set of tires on the front. I'll do an oil change the cabin filter, and I'll talk about the pros and cons, my overall impressions, and all that good stuff. All right, so until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.
Ignition coil A, primary secondary circuit, cylinder 1 misfire. pressure car.